The Vijayanagar rest house was very famous among travelers. It was the best and most affordable place to stop and eat for the traders traveling through Vijayanagar.
What happened?
The rest house belonged to Bimlesh.
It seems like the cart's wheel got stuck.
Wait, I'll help you.
He was always ready to help people.
Thank you, Bimlesh.
Bhaskar, my friend, you have your meal and rest. I'll take care of this road, huh?
In this good work, Bimlesh had the support of his brothers as well.
Wow, Bimlesh. My friend, you have done a great job by repairing this road.
Take care, my friend, and come again.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Bimlesh's days were passing happily while serving people. One day, a traveler arrived at Bimlesh's rest house whom he had never seen before.
You seem to have come from far away, my friend. Why don't you relax after having your meal in the rest house? Eh?
There are already many people there. After a little rest, I'll find another place ahead.
It didn't seem right to Bimlesh that a traveler should leave his rest house without having food and rest. There might not have been space in the rest house, but there was certainly space in his home.
These chickpeas are for you. It seems he liked it very much. You come inside. Here is your food.
My hunger has increased more after seeing such delicious dishes.
When someone is extremely hungry and so many varieties of dishes are placed in front of them, how can they resist eating? Seeing the food, the traveler got engrossed in eating.
Ah,
After a hearty meal, both the traveler and his horse were refreshed and ready to continue their journey.
Thank you, my friend, for the delicious meal and hospitality. You are very kind and generous. If you have any worries or troubles, please let me know.
Worries? Troubles? No. Why would I worry about anything? I have a happy family. I have 2 brothers. Our children play together. My life is going well by serving people in my rest house. I have no worries at all.
Oh, so you won't express your feelings like this. Wait. I am Yum. I have no fear.
Yama? My lord, is it you? But why are you here?
Don't be afraid. I come here occasionally to visit the earth. Now that you know me, tell me, what worries you?
Bimlesh said that he was worried about his family. What would happen to them if something happened to him? Along with this, he also wanted to expand his rest house so that he could serve more travelers.
As you wish. You are a good person, Bimlesh. You provided me with food and arranged for my rest without even knowing me. Life and death are inevitable. Even I cannot stop them. But in return for your service, I can do this much for you. In your final moment, When I come to take you, I will give you some signs before that. You can do whatever you want for the service of your family and people before that.
Thank you, my lord.
After getting assurance from Yama, Bimlesh no longer had any worries. He wholeheartedly engaged himself in doing everything he could for his family.
Brother, the space in the rest house is now becoming limited. We need to arrange for some additional rooms.
You expand the rest house and you will take care of all its management. Anuj will assist you. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Gradually, Bimlesh also involved both his brothers in the work of the rest house. Time passed. Bimlesh's hair had also turned white.
Let's go.
What happened, brother?
Nothing. I'm all right.
Brother, I'm thinking that there should be arrangements for another dining hall in the rest house. I want to give the management of this to Anuj.
Bimlesh was happy because both his brothers were also well settled now. As time passed, Bimlesh was content because with his advice, his brothers had not only managed but also expanded the business of the rest house. But Bimlesh was waiting for the sign that Yamraj was supposed to give him before his arrival.
Let's go. It's time to leave.
My lord, you...
Oh, not Lord, brother. It's me. You have to go to inaugurate our new rest house.
Oh, I almost forgot, Anuj.
Let's go.
The last days of Bimlesh's life had arrived. But the desire to live does not leave a person until the very end. And so it was with Bimlesh too.
All right,
Bimlesh.
Your time on earth has come to an end. So shall we go now?
Anuj...
This time it's not Anuj. It's me, Yam.
But my lord, you said that you would give a sign before coming.
I did give signs, Bimlesh. Your hair turning white, your back bending, the loss of your teeth as you got older. All these were signs of my arrival.
But these things happen to everyone, my lord.
Yes, that's why. The wise prepare for this time, just like you did. I saw how you have made your brothers skilled in their work. Now they can take care of themselves and also serve the people.
Bimlesh realized that after the day he met Yama, he had handled all his responsibilities well. As per Yama's instructions, he had made his brothers capable enough to take care of the family after he was gone. Now he had no burden on his heart. He bid farewell to the earth happily and went with Yama. So children, what did you learn from this story?
That, Amma, we should grow by fulfilling our...
We should grow up, not just grow old. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.